Today I'm working on another little ornament for my Preserving the Seasons tree, and I thought I'd tell you what I was doing. I'm going to mix some of my canned apple spice applesauce, which is also in the cookbook, with a whole bunch of cheap cinnamon. These are 2.37-ounce containers of cinnamon. I'm going to use both of them. And a cup of this applesauce. I'm going to mix it up all together and turn it into a dough. And I'm going to press that dough between two pieces of plastic wrap, roll it out, and then cut it into pieces that we will bake up into cutesy little ornaments. Let's do it. Cup of applesauce. All that cinnamon. It's two 2-ounce containers, or roughly a cup and a half. Ooh, smells good. Applesauce and the cinnamon. It smells amazing. And now I'm going to finish it up with my hands. You form it into a dough. I like to separate it into a couple of pieces so that I'm just working a little bit at a time when I'm rolling it out. I got the dough rolled out. You want it to be about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch thick so your ornaments don't fall apart. And then from here, you just want to cut out your shapes. After you've rolled out your first batch of cute little shapes, just gather up your dough and do it again and repeat until you run out of dough. Once we've got all of our shapes cut out, there are a few ways that we can dry them. You can just air dry them on a parchment lined baking sheet or a cookie rack or a dehydrator rack and let the air do the drying. This would take a couple of days. Another way you can do it is in the dehydrator. You can use really all the way up to the highest temp, which is about 165. A lower temp, I'll probably do mine at about 135, 140, just because slow and low will result in less cracking. And I want them to be as pretty as possible. If you're in a bit of a hurry, though, you can use the oven, set it at 200 degrees, and then just put them on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. Should take about 2.5 hours. Keep an eye on them. If you decide that you want to dehydrate them, it should take about 5 to 6-ish hours, depending on the temperature that you use. I would do them for about 3 to 4 hours and then start checking them every half hour or so.